$50. As you can see, 50, 60, 50, 60, 100, 120, $150. This is one of the most interesting videos because today I'm doing a review on the most paying survey site ever recorded. And in this site, basically, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard right now. As you can see, these are the jobs available for 60 minutes. Spend 60 minutes of your time once you qualify. This is how much you're expecting to earn from this. So basically, this is more like an interview type of survey, but then it's not one of those surveys where you get paid $2, $3 to spend, I don't know, 20 minutes of your time. So basically with these ones, you get paid more. The difference is that you need to have some sort of background or knowledge on the topic that is being provided. So as you can see right here, I just applied for this last one right here, seeking software developers. So if you're a software developer, have some sort of experience about it, then as you can see right here, I just applied and I was 72% a chance of actually getting this job. So I'm just waiting for them to respond so that I can actually proceed and start with this. And I'll actually be doing an update on how it goes. So expect a new video to come soon about this one. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to upload it and show you how the process was, or the type of payment that they gave me and so forth. So to pay out on this one, you actually use PayPal. Now remember, for those who prefer cryptocurrency over PayPal, you can also change your PayPal money into cryptocurrency using different exchanges. But this one is actually PayPal. PayPal, you can withdraw it to your bank account. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for that new video when I'm going to release it. But for now, if you want to try it out, if you want to go check out, the link is down below to create your account. It's very easy and fast. So you create your account, you log into your dashboard, and then you see the jobs that are available for you. You look at them, go through the instructions given on what they are expecting from you, and then you take a short survey of about 1 minute to qualify you, which is like the registry process, which you have to go through so that they see whether you qualify for it or not. So basically they will notify you if you qualify, and then once you qualify, they'll take you through the process and spend that 60 minutes so that you can get paid your $100, your $200, your $150, whatever it is. So the least that I've seen on this website is actually $5. Let me just quickly check that for you. $5 that I saw, but then you only spend like a minute doing that job. Okay, right there, right here. As you can see, this is a 5-minute job and you get paid $5 for it. The most are just above $50. As you can see, 50, 60, 50, 60, 100, 120, $150. So this is more like a website where you can rely on making a full-time income if you actually apply and qualify for most of these. Because I mean, if you can just do one of these a week, like especially the ones above $100, if you can do just one a week, that's really like a good income source. As I said again, it just takes about 60 minutes to go through this process. Signing up is very easy. The link is down below. You just sign up, fill in your details, and then just start applying for these jobs. I would recommend that you apply more than 2 at least, so that you have at least one that okay, I'm guaranteed to qualify at least for at least one out of these 3, 4, 5 that I applied for. Even if you qualify for all, you can just take your time, go through all of them whenever they respond to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notification. Also check out the Telegram group that we got down below where I answer all your questions if you need help with any of the words that I have here or of making money online. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.